Dr. Mai Chisamba is undisputedly the best talk show host to have ever emerged out of Zimbabwe, and this is her life story. Mai Chisamba was born Rebecca Tsikirai in Bindura on 21 October 1952 in a family of 7. She went on to attend Bindura Salvation Army Primary School before attending Asha Girls High in Matebeleland. From there, she went on to receive teacher training at Howard Institute. She furthered her education by completing a Master of Arts degree at the Women's University in Africa in 2010, and in 2015 she received an honorary doctorate from the International Institute of Philanthropy. Even though Mai Chisamba has become a household brand in the broadcasting industry, her path to success was not as straightforward as many people would like to think. Mai Chisamba started off as a teacher, but as someone who had love for the arts industry, she became a radio teacher under the Ministry of Education, Sports and Culture, and she would go around the country in schools teaching children through radio. She was highly successful as a radio teacher to such an extent that in the early 1990s, she was asked to do interviews for AM Zimbabwe on a part-time basis. She went on to host a lot of other successful radio shows with ZBC, such as Muri Pachinyakare as well as Kukwira Gomu. Mai Chisamba excelled in regards to this to such an extent that she was occasionally asked to host the highly popular Mudzimai Wanas, which was later on renamed after her to Mai Chisamba Show. After a long relationship with ZBC, Mai Chisamba decided to be independent and went on to establish Chisamba Productions and Media Consultants, in which she and her husband Arnold Chisamba are the directors. From here, Mai Chisamba decided to widen her portfolio and launched a column called Mudzimba with Mai Chisamba in the Sunday Mail, in which she engaged with Zimbabweans on marital and other related issues. Moving on to her personal and family life, Mai Chisamba is turning 72 this year, and she is married to Arnold Chisamba. She has 5 children, 2 boys and 3 girls, and she also has 5 grandchildren. With a broadcasting career spanning over 3 decades, Mai Chisamba has collected a number of awards over the years. Just to mention a few, she has the Zimbabwe Communicator of the Year Award 2003, Best Television Woman Presenter 2008 and 2007, and she also has the Victor's Award for Outstanding Woman in Zimbabwe and Long-Standing Talk Show Host 2011. The latest award in her collection is the highly prestigious Order of the Star of Zimbabwe Silver Medal, which was awarded to her by President E.D. in 2023. We finish off the video with a few scandals that Mai Chisamba's name has been brought up in. In 2012, Mai Chisamba was reported to have had a sexual relationship with former Anglican Bishop Norbert Kunonga. It was alleged that as a result of the illicit affair, Mai Chisamba had been made a marriage officer within the Anglican Church. Although this story gained a lot of traction on various social media platforms, Mai Chisamba refuted these allegations.